Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language classes. This morning I was chatting to an old friend of mine whose son is 19 now and is in the second year of a degree course at a university in the west of England. However, obviously, because of COVID and because of the current lockdown, his courses have been moved online. So he's now living back in the family home here in North London and doing all of his courses online. I asked my friend how his son was managing, how he was coping with everything. And my friend said he was basically doing okay, but that he himself thought it was shocking that students are still expected to pay £9,000 a year, £9,000 a year, when basically they're just getting online classes. The result of all of this, of course, is that students will leave university saddled with tens of thousands of pounds worth of debt. If you are saddled with debt, you have that debt and you have to deal with it. I guess the idea comes from the saddle that you put on a horse when you want to ride it. In this instance, of course, it's the bank riding you as you repay the debt over the years. In the same way, you might hear said of young athletes, for example, or young footballers, that they're saddled with unrealistically high expectations. People have these high expectations of the players, and they have to live up to these expectations. Maybe a friend of yours might end up in a bad marriage and find herself saddled with a lousy husband and an ungrateful son. Or if you're in a country such as mine, you might find yourself saddled with an incompetent leader. If you have liked this video, click the like button, share it with your friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use saddled with.